favorite obsession. I'm so sorry for confessing, and I don't wanna wait, 'cause you know I feel the same. My obsession, you're so heavenly, you're so heavenly. But don't you know it, don't you know it, baby? We can dance forever and pretend I wanna stay till the end. You're so heavenly, you're so heavenly. But don't you know it, don't you know it, baby? It was New Year's Eve, too much noise. I could barely hear my own voice. I always said you were too shy. Then I went off to cry. You'll be the tide, you'll be the tide. You're so heavenly, my obsession. Cool. Hey, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am obsessed with Pale Waves. I love them so much, and their new EP, All the Things I Never Said, is the bomb. I love it. I'm in love with this band, so I had to do another little mashup of their songs because I love all of them and I can't decide which one to do just on its own, so I had to just mush them all together. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you guys are new. What is your favourite song on the Pale Waves new EP? Let me know in the comments below. Ow. Oh my finger. So I really hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. If you are in the UK or like in Europe and the snow has hit you and it is kind of dangerous, please stay safe. The snow is really hella bad where I live. So stay safe, guys. I will see you in my next video and I'll see you later. Bye! We can dance forever.